Okay, here's a problem from 1996 under the category polynomials. It says which roots of x cubed minus 4x squared plus x plus 6 equals 0 are also roots of x cubed minus 3x squared minus 4x plus 12 equals 0. So one way to do this is to find the roots of the first equation and the roots of the second equation and then see which ones they have in common. But an easier way is to subtract one of the equations from the other. So let's try subtracting the first equation from the second. And this gives us and this is easy to factor. So, and that gives us the solutions. But just because this equation is true if both of these are true doesn't mean that this equation being true makes both of the first two equations true. So we need to check that x equals 3 and x equals 2 are roots to equation 1 and equation 2. And the only way to do this is to plug in the values. So let's just try it with x equals 3 for equation number 1. So that would be 3 cubed minus 4 times 3 squared plus 3 plus 6. And this is equal to 27 minus 36 plus 3 plus 6. And this equals 0. So after trying different combinations of the x values of 3 and 2 in equations number 1 and 2, you see that x equals 3 and 2 are roots to both of those equations. And since both of the first equation 1 and 2, if these are both true, that implies that equation 3 is true. So the roots to equation 3 are the only possible roots that both equations 1 and 2 share. So that means we have found all the possible shared roots. And that's the answer to this problem.